Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone. So first thing is make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone, and all you got to do is just open the lid up and kind of move it like close. Sometimes this window will pop up, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't pop up, just go ahead and like close the lid here again and then open it up and just wait till this pops up. Okay, and once this does, we're going to tap on connect here, and now we're going to double tap the front case. There's an invisible button here. Okay, just, oh, I took too long. Let me go ahead and close it again, and then I'm going to open it up, and now I'm going to pop, and we're connected, and there you go. Now if you have any connection issues or pairing issues, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below for the link in the description area.